Hello and welcome to another episode of Learning to Play the Guitar. And today we are going to be trying out 1 minute changes against the clock. And if you watched my last video, you will remember that 1 minute changes is doing one chord that we've learnt and changing to another chord and back again. A, E, A, E, as many times as you can in 60 seconds. I'll go A to D, the second one E to D, and the third A to E, which I just did. I'm not going to be hectically trying to get as many in as possible. I'm going to try and do each chord as cleanly as I can, but I'm sure some of them will be done chords that aren't precise and that are a bit messy, but that's okay. I mean, the whole point of this exercise is to practice moving your fingers around, so hopefully it'll help a lot. Okay, so the first one I will try is A here to D. And I hope I'm doing those chords correctly, just on their own. Otherwise, I'm going to have some problems down the road. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So, as you can see, I managed 35. I think I started off quite well, but I faltered as we went along there. The problem with A to D is A is very cramped along here, and I always feel like I'm pressing a little hard with my forefinger there when we get to A. And D, the problem is, as I mentioned in a previous video, getting down these two fingers at the same time, these two here. My third finger wants to go down first, and then my second finger, and that does slow down things a little bit. And when you lose it, sometimes it just messes your whole rhythm up. So 35, you know, it's okay for a start. Don't worry if you don't even get that much. I feel like most of them were pretty clean though. Some of them weren't. Let's try E to D this time. E's up here, and D is down here. Alright. Start the timer again. She's giving me 7 seconds. 1, oh, I messed that up, alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, I got to 39 on that one, and clearly a couple of those weren't how they're supposed to be, but generally I think, I did okay. Ideally each one will be perfect, but when starting out I think just practicing getting your fingers moving quickly in each position is the key at this stage. And in the future I can definitely try and focus on improving each individual chord. But for now I'm quite content at the moment. So the last one I'll try is... I didn't manage to make it to 40. Let's see if we can with this one, though I doubt it. Which one is it? A to E, of course. For this one, what I need to do is lift up these two fingers, move across, and put down. But again, it's A, and my forefinger always gets sore with A. Let's try it. A to E. 1 minute changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, I was quite happy with that one. I got 47. One other thing that I've noticed is I have missed strings a couple of times, and for A, you need to hit this second from the top string and strum down, and for E, you need to strum the top string and strum down. So sometimes, with D, it's this string. Sometimes I miss the string that I'm supposed to be doing, but still overall I'm pretty happy with that. But A, it really gets sore on A. Try sliding your forefinger across this string here. But actually, it's actually easier because all you need to do is lift these fingers up and down, and it's easier than D, because D, you need to move this finger, turn it a little bit to put this second finger down, whereas E, that's not the case. It's a lot easier to put them down at the same time for me. So that was my first 1 minute changes. I didn't beat what I got in October of 2016, but you know, I think it's a good start for where I'm at now. I hope you try that yourself at home, because I think it's a very efficient way of practicing, actually. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.